Body weight exercises are great for improving fat burn and weight loss. First of all, with body weight exercises, you can do them anytime and almost anywhere. You don't need a gym, you don't need equipment, you just need you and yourself. So body weight exercises can actually burn up to 5 to 1,000 calories per hour. That is how effective they are, extremely effective. And furthermore, body weight increases muscle mass or muscle cells, which burn 3 times as many calories as fat cells. So let's go ahead and show you a few body weight exercises that you can use. So the first exercise we're going to be doing is step-ups. They burn 972 calories per hour. No wonder why. Your legs are some of the biggest muscles in your body. So you want to find a chair or bench, just place your foot in the middle. Make sure you feel comfortable with the support. You're going to take a huge step up as you exhale, keeping that core nice and tight. If you want to make this a more challenging movement, raise that knee and then bring it back down. You can either continue on the same side or you can switch feet every other rep. Next, we're going to be doing some jump squats. Jump squats burn 900 calories per hour. They take a lot of energy and they're super efficient. You're just going to be placing your feet shoulder width apart, squat down like you're doing a normal squat, and with all your effort, jump up as high as you can, landing very gently on your feet. You want to make sure you land gently so you don't hurt your joints, and you want to also get that workout in controlling the movement down. So here we go. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. The next movement we're going to be doing is just a basic jumping jacks. Believe it or not, this movement burns 576 calories per hour. You want to make sure you do this deliberately. You want to make sure you do this with a full range of motion. So you want to make sure your arms come up, meet at the top, nice straight arms, and then when you come down, they hit your thighs. So here we go, nice big jumps. Now you can increase the speed, keeping the core nice and tight. Last but not least, we have one of my favorite movements of all, which is a burpee. At 546 calories per hour, this is a beast. It gets your whole body, it works it out, strength, core, resistance, and obviously great cardio. So you're going to start standing straight up, feet shoulder width apart. Coming down to a squat, you're going to place both hands on the ground, jump back into a plank, perform a push-up, jump back to the squat position, and then do a squat jump, jumping as high as you possibly can. So those are some really great body weight exercises that you can incorporate into your routine to increase maximum effectiveness for your weight loss and fat burning goals.